Hi friends, GT Coding here, and in this video we will talk about how to create a basic layout for our website, and basically we'll create a skeleton of our website using HTML and CSS. So first of all, what we'll do is we will plan out our website. So we will plan out how our design should be roughly. Okay, so first of all we are going to have heading section, then we will have a navigation section, then under that we will have two sections, one for the main content of the website or the web page, and here we will have some additional information that we will call sidebar, and at last we will have a footer for our website. So this is going to be the layout for our website. We will just label them. So this will be the heading of our website. Here we will have the navigation. This is the content, main content of our website. This is the sidebar, and at last here we have the footer. So this is the basic template or the basic layout that we are going to design. We are going to use HTML and CSS to design this basic web page. So let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is create a file, create an HTML file and name it whatever you want. For example, I will name my file index.html. Click yes. Then we will create one more file. Now if you don't see this extension .txt, then you can go here to view and check this option over here. Then the extension of the file will also be displayed. Okay, so we will change this file name to style and make its extension as CSS. Okay, so now we have everything set up. Now we will this is our index.html file. Now we will write our code in HTML and we will see the result over here. Every HTML file should start with an HTML tag. So these basically the letters written in these angular brackets are called tags. HTML is a markup language and we use tags to design or create the web pages. So there are two major tags in HTML, the head tag and the body tag. So in head tag we can determine what should be the title of the web page and many other things. We can also include other files, like we can include our CSS file in this head tag. Now we will change our title to my first website. So if we will save this, we can see that we have the title of our web page has changed. So if we take a look back at our planning of our web design, we can see that this is what we have planned. So these blocks over here, or these sections, we can call a division in HTML. These are all divisions. So this is one division, this is another, and in all we have 1 2 3 4 5 divisions. We will make one more division to contain all these divisions. So these are, in all we have 6 divisions, and we have to create all of them in our HTML document. So let's do it. So in body we'll create all our divisions. So the first division will be called wrapper. This wrapper division is the division that contains all the other divisions. So this is the outer division. Now in that we have many divisions. The first one will create heading. so we will write something for now. We will write my first website as the heading of our website. So here we go. Then the next division is, we will call it navigation. So navigation will have all our navigation links, so we will just type navigation over here. In this image we can see that we have two divisions over here, one on the left, one on the right. So we'll create them. Division class content, main content. Then we will create the other division. We will call it sidebar, or additional info. Then the last division that we will have is footer. We will write something like this: website is developed by GT coding. So this is our basic structure. Now if you see in this preview over here, we can see that it does not match what we have planned. So we have to add some CSS to this website to make it all really work. So we have created style.css. When we started this video, we will include it in the head tag. For that we have to write link rel style sheet and href. This will contain the path of the CSS, and the type we will write text CSS. So now we have linked our CSS to this web page. Now we will open the CSS. Now we will make changes over here. First of all, we will make changes to this wrapper. So we will set its height, we will set its width to, for example, we will set it to 600 pixels because we have a tiny space over here. Okay, now if you write background and provide some color, then we can change the background color of our division. So here we have changed the background color of our division. We can also align this division to center by typing margin 0 auto 0 auto. I have misspelled margin, so now we have our division aligned center. Now we will apply CSS to the other divisions. The other division is heading. We will set its height to 100 pixels. So this will be the height of our heading. Okay, we'll change its color to red. Now we will add some padding. Padding basically means that all the contents in the division will be moved away from the corners or moved away from the border. So if you add padding 20, our website will look like this. We can also create text, we can also write text align and center. This will center our text. Now the next division that we have is navigation. We'll apply CSS to navigation. We'll set its height to 50 pixels. Okay, and change its color to light green. That looks nice. Now we will apply CSS for the next division, that is content. We will set its minimum height to, we will see 400 pixels. We will see how it works. Okay, that looks fine. We will also add a background color, hash DDD. This looks fine. And we have to set the width of this division to something lesser than the wrapper, because we have to fit in one more division over here on the right. So we will set its width to 400 pixels. Okay, now we'll move on to the next division, that is sidebar. To make this division float to the left side, we have to write float left, and here what we will do is set its width to, here we have taken 400 pixels from 600, so we have 200 pixels left. So we'll write 200 pixels and float to the right. So that's it. Now we will also add a background color to the sidebar. We'll make it light blue and set its minimum height to content, what we have in content, because both will be parallel. So minimum height is 400 pixels. So now we have that covered. The next and the last division is footer. Okay, so in footer we have to clear all the floats that we have used here, float left and float right. So we will write clear both and set its background to black and height to 50 pixels, 40 pixels. Okay, that looks fine. We also change the color of the text to white and align it to the center. We will also add some padding, 10 pixels. Okay, so this is our basic skeleton or basic layout of our website. So this is how easy it is to create a website using HTML and CSS. So every website that is created is using all these elements, all these divisions and all these CSS properties and HTML tags. This was just a basic tutorial to create the layout of our website. In the next tutorial we will improve this page by adding some more CSS and making this look a little more attractive. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to get notified about the new uploads. If you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching.